You can also read this long supplication, which goes as follows. O Allah, make him a preceding reward and a stored treasure for his parents. What does that mean? It means that he will intercede on the day of judgment. He will meet his parents at the gates of Jannah, and he will admit them because of their patience and tolerance for their loss over their loved one. So make him a treasure for his parents and an answered intercessor. He will intercede with Allah. Oh Allah, they're my parents, admit them to Jannah. So make him an answered and accepted intercessor. Oh Allah, through him make heavy their scale and magnify, that is the parents, and magnify their reward. Unite him with the righteous believers. Place him under the care of Ibrahim and protect him by your mercy from the torment of hell. And then you go on to say, give him a home better than his home, a family better than his family. O Allah, forgive those who have gone, that are deceased, who had passed away before us, our children lost by death, and these are those who died due to abortion or miscarriage, and those who have preceded us in faith. Beautiful dua. It throws a lot of tranquility in the heart of the parents of such a miscarriage and makes them confident that Allah Azza wa Jal would replace them with something better, and that He awaits them on the day of judgment.